In this video, I really just wanted to take a pause to share with you and to recommend to you a book that I've been reading that I think is really essential reading for anyone that wants to have a business online. But particularly if you want to learn how to make money using YouTube, I think that this book that I want to talk to you about today is a book that you should absolutely buy and that you should absolutely do the things that's recommended, because the process of developing a business online is not something you can just snap your fingers and it just happens in an instant. There's no magic to it. And in fact, what it is a set of steps that you have to take and a set of things that you need to put in place and a set of things that you need to learn over time that would enable you to eventually end up in a place where you have a credible, scalable business that is producing the amount of income that you need for the lifestyle that you want to live. And that book that I want to introduce to you today is this book here by Jeff Olson called The Slight Edge. Now, I could tell you what this book is all about, but I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to tell you is that the top 5% of people in the world are people that apply the slight edge, okay? The people who are truly successful in life understand the principles of the slight edge. If you want to be successful, it's not about a quantum leap where suddenly you're just going to snap your fingers or do some kind of other abracadabra thing and your business is going to be online or you're going to be catapulted into some place where you want to be. No, it's those everyday, simple, consistent actions that you take that move you step by step by step to higher and higher levels of competency. And so I'm not going to say anything more than that, but what I am going to say is that if you truly, truly, truly are committed to yourself, okay? If you're committed to your own personal development and your own professional development, and if you want to achieve, success in your business and in other areas of your life, you need to understand the principles and to apply the principles of the slight edge. I really, really deeply encourage you, if you don't read any other book this year, get The Slight Edge by Jeff Olson. You can pick it up on Amazon. In fact, I got a link in this video, in the description of this video, and I inspire you to just click on that link and go directly to Amazon and buy it. I'm not trying to capture your name. I'm not trying to capture your email address. This is not about me marketing anything to you. This is really just about you getting the slight edge, okay, on your business and in your life. Highly, highly, highly recommend it.